Wepa! How you guys doing? Everything good? Awesome. Today is Thursday, April 23 of 2020. On math, we're going to draw place value blocks to show three different ways the number 794. Así que el número del día de hoy es 794. Then you're going to write 794 in word form. ¿Entendimos? Y al final, like always on this week, you're going to solve the word problem. Again, this word problem is about the beginning of multiplication, but we need to understand that multiplication is adding the same groups, the same amount of groups. Let's say, for example, 3 times 5. 3 times 5 is the same as 5 plus 5 plus 5 3 times. That's 15. So you're doing the same thing with a new story, and we're going to add this. Let's see if you remember what this is. You guys remember that? The part whole. The strip diagram. These parts are the groups. Inside the parts, you're going to put the number that are on each group. For example, let's say we have 2 groups. Let's say Mr. Hernandez has cupcakes, and he has 2 plates of cupcakes. Tiene 2 platos de cupcakes. On each plate, he has 4 cupcakes. Así que aquí tengo un plato, aquí tengo otro plato. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4 cupcakes. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 cupcakes. So 4 plus 4 equals 8. Así que esto sería 4 más 4 es igual a 8. Or another way to do it also will be, how many plates do I have? How many plates? 2. So it will be 2 plates times multiplicado. How many cupcakes inside the plates? 4. So it will be 2 times 4. Es lo mismo que 2 más 4, 4 más 4. This equals 8. So we're going to do the strip diagram today. Understood, guys? Right now, we're going to draw a place value blocks to show 3 different ways of the number 154. I have chosen an easy number so you can understand a little bit better. Because I think that some of you are a little bit confused. So let's do this number. Remember, the first one on the top is just the basic representation of this number. Let's use color green. So 154, I only have 100. Then 54, so I have 5 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tens. And 4 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. Una centena, 5 decenas y 4 unidades. 154. Good. Recuerda que las otras 2 formas son formas que representen este números, pero que se vean diferentes en estos base 10 blocks. So, for example, one way I can change these hundreds, I can change it to what? What is 100? How many tens is 100? 100 is 10 tens. Remember that? 10 tens equals 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hay que recordarnos que estas 10 decenas, these 10 tens, are the same as this 100. Now I'm going to pass down this next 5 tens. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tens. Then I have 4 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. Así que quiero que veas aquí. Lo único que yo hice diferente fue que cambié esta centena a decenas. I changed the hundreds to tens. Remember, 100 equals 10 tens. Now, I'm going to change this 10 into ones. But let's first add this. So right now, this go back to 100. Then go 100 right here. Let me do it a little bit thicker. And then, como voy a cambiar este que está aquí, no lo voy a contar. I'm not going to count this one. So I have now 1, 2, let me do it thicker. 1, 2, 3, 4. And number 5, I'm going to change it. The fifth tenth, I'm going to change it into ones. How many ones is 110? It's 10 ones. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We need to remember that 10 ones equals 110. Estos 10 que están aquí es lo mismo que una decena. Let me count this one. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. Así que lo único que yo he hecho diferente ha sido cambiar una decena a unidades. All I did different is change these tens and draw them into ones. So this is what I want you to do. After this, then I need to write it in word form. We have 154. This is 100 and 54. Muy bien. So this is what I want you to do. But I want you to do this with a really big number that is 794. This word problem, we're going to read it and do cubes with it. So let's read it all together. Here says, Jesus has 2 plates of cookies. Qué rico cookies. Each plate has 6 cookies. How many cookies Jesus has? Vamos otra vez. Dice, Jesús, that's a key word, has, que tiene 2 plates. What are plates? What are plates? Son platos. Very good. These are plates. Of what? Of cookies. De galletas. Each plate, dice que cada plato, sí que tiene 2 platos, pero cada plato tiene 6 cookies, has 6 cookies. La pregunta es, how many cookies Jesús has? So, para entender esto, hay que dibujarlo. Y esta vez lo vamos a hacer utilizando the strip diagram this time. So, remember the strip diagram? Remember this? Like the part whole. So we need to find out how many cookies Jesus has. Okay? We know that Jesus has 2 plates. So this means he has 2 parts. Tiene dos platos. 2 plates. How many cookies? Si tiene 2 platos. ¿Cuántas galletas hay en este plato y cuántas hay en este plato? How many cookies are on each plate? Each plate has 6 cookies. Cada plato tiene 6 galletas. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cookies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cookies. So, this means that we have how many plates? We have 2 plates. Tenemos 2 platos times what? Tenemos 2 platos multiplicado por ¿cuántas galletas? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Tenemos 6 galletas. This means 2 times 6 equals the answer. Otra forma de leer esto es 6 plus 6, like part, whole. 6 galletas. Déjame hacer otro color para que no se confunda. Otra forma de leerlo, another way to read this is 6 plus 6 equals this number. Así que pensemos bien. ¿Qué es 6 más 6? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 6 plus 6 equals 12. So this means that 2 times 6, 2, because tenemos 2 veces 6. 2 times 6 equals 12. Como pudieron ver, yo lo hice dibujando the strip diagram. I did this drawing the strip diagram. I'm going to do this again, but with my toys. So you can see it also. Porque si no quieres dibujar, puedes hacerlo con tus juguetes. Let me draw a big part whole, a big strip diagram. We don't know this one. Oh, sorry. We don't know this answer. But we know that we have 2 plates. Tenemos 2 platos. Cada plato tiene 6 galletas. Hay 6 galletas aquí y 6 acá. 6 cookies here and 6 here. So let's put the cookies in. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 cookies. And on this one, I have also 6 cookies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 cookies. Aquí hay 6 galletas y 6 galletas. We have part, whole. I repeat, part, whole. So this can look like, again, 6. I can write it here. So this means that we have 6 plus 6. 6 más 6. This equals, como dijimos ahorita, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This equals 12. This is the whole. Another way to see it, como lo dije ahorita, how many cookies we have? How many plates? Tenemos 2 platos. How many cookies on each plate? 6 cookies. So 2 times 6 equals 12. Muy bien. Si fue muy rápido, vean el video otra vez. Recuerde, cuando hacemos a veces las preguntas, los trabajos, yo les digo a ustedes, lean las cosas 2 veces. Si fue muy confuso, vean el video 2 veces. You're going to do the same thing, but with the same word problem, but with different numbers. Look at this one. This one says, Jesus has 3 plates of cookies. Each plate has 6 cookies. How many cookies Jesus has? Mismo trabajo. We're talking now about 3 plates and 6 cookies. I want you to do the rest of the cubes and the strip diagram. Remember to do the strip diagram. You need to think, how many plates do we have and how many cookies on each plate. This will be all for today. I hope you guys enjoy. Have fun. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye, guys.